This diagram shows a red blood cell on the left and a white blood cell on the right. The red blood cell has a concave shape, sort of like a tire, it's flattened. It's depressed in the center. It looks sort of like a donut with the hole not quite all the way through. And the white blood cell, the surface, back to the red blood cell, the surface of the red blood cell is remarkably smooth. And I guess that, I'm speculating, that helps it to slip through the capillaries to do its job of bringing oxygen out to the cells. The white blood cell has a bunch of little things on it. Now, this reminds me of the diagrams I've seen of cells where the viruses go in, and those little things on there are receptors. So I know that there are some viruses that attack and infect white blood cells, but I have not heard yet of any viruses that attacked a red blood cell. In fact, it would be a virus. I just realized something. Red blood cells are not susceptible to viruses because of the way viruses work. A virus has to go into the cell and then take its DNA and incorporate that into the genome of the cell, of the host cell. And since there is no DNA, there is no nucleus inside of a red blood cell, that would be impossible. So it's impossible for a virus to attack a red blood cell. So that's my thinking anyway. Also, since a red blood cell doesn't have DNA, and cancer is most often associated, as far as I know, with DNA that has been damaged so that it doesn't know how to stop the cell from reproducing. So red blood cells are a completely different thing. They wouldn't be susceptible to cancer. Also, they don't divide. This is interesting. Normally cells divide in mitosis, but this cell, the red blood cell, is really unique because it can't do that. It means that there has to be some place where red blood cells are made, because they can't go through the normal process of cell division. So I'll finish right here.